Arithmetic operations part 2 Division div equal to 10 /5. Here div is a variable which storing the result of 10 by 5. Equal to is an assignment operator. 10 is an operand or value. / is an arithmetic operator. 5 is an operand or value. Print of div C. The output is 2.0. Floor division fl underscore div equal to 10 2 /5. Here fl underscore div is a variable which storing the result of 10 2 /5. Equal to is an assignment operator. 10 is an operand or value. 2 / is an arithmetic operator. 5 is an operand or value. Print of fl underscore div C. The output is 2. Floor division gives only integer part without decimal point. Modular division mod underscore div equal to 10%5. Here mod underscore div is a variable which storing the result of 10%5. Equal to is an assignment operator. 10 is an operand or value. Percentage is an arithmetic operator. 5 is an operand or value. Print of mod underscore div C. The output is 0. In modular division, we get remainder as a result. Remember, division gives quotient as a result with a decimal point. Floor division gives quotient as a result without a decimal point. Modular division gives remainder as a result.